All right, for the level 5 hype train, courtesy of my Twitch chat.
I will just upgrade directly to an M5 base 32GB RAM 512GB SSD if that's an option. For a server would rather have the mini or any laptop obviously.
Oh, we'll talk
For
about it in a
Apple
second.
products.
Yeah, hold up. Doc Hills Thrawn, thank you guys, along with Whitey and all the other contributions for this. Nothing, just crickets from Kick, huh? Kick don't like supporting their small streamers. Worth it? So 8K, this will be 8K Natto eating.
Looks like Big Booger's smiley face.
I'm recording this in...
Tell me how it tastes.
Yeah, I will, don't worry. It's in, this will be an 8K for you guys.
IK couldn't eat that even for money.
Yeah. My wife and kid love it. I don't know why. It's disgusting. I always get a gag.
Any updates on the GoPro firmware update? Oh man, and you're on week 2. I understand the gag factor. Six, seven, 6, 7, 6, 7. I suddenly feel guilty.
Don't feel guilty. Feel bad for the people around me. Ooh.
That sound is better at night, so it triggers the drunks. What would you say is the worst thing you've eaten? At Witty I think you're witnessing it.
Yeah, this is worse than Scorpion for sure. Like the big bean ones are... I think the Scorpion's worth, but the small bean ones that gets in your teeth and stuff, it's atrocious.
Cash, it isn't that bad. Just think of the taste and smell.
I am. I don't scam people by like, oh, let me just close my nostril or whatever. I can smell everything. Smell every little bit.
Is the Natto strings like the strings? Lol.
Okay. You guys can thank Twitch chat for that one. Level 5 completed. Natto completed. Yuck. Twitch.tv Cash Meow. And if you want to follow on Kick, it's kick.com Cash Meow. See you guys there. I'll be live for another 40 hours. We'll see. Peace, peace.